Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the screen timeout on this device. This is very simple. For this, go to settings, then tap on the option display, then scroll down. Here you can see the option screen timeout. Tap on this one. So here you can see some time limit from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. We can set the screen timeout. Okay, so according to your choice, you can select 15 seconds or 30 seconds or 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Screen timeout determine how long your display stay on without activity. Choosing the right settings balance convenience and battery life. Okay, so if you choose the higher screen timeout, then it will drain the battery life. So simply in this way we can change the screen timeout on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.